What's up, Digital Collective 828
This is Sean.
and Rashina? Listen, we got big news via the DTCC website. There are, drumroll, 10 ETFs that are officially showing on the DTCC website.
Ooh.
So that means that it's not rumors. That means that it's real entries in the same database that holds every other ETF before they go live. That's something we're going to reveal to you, the ones that we saw on the DTCC website. All right. So y'all ready for this?
No, they ain't ready.
So let's go. Let's go with the first one we saw. Bitwise XRP ETF, ticker XRP. Bitwise, right? All right. So you want to say anything about that one at all for?
Well, we know Big Wise have already been trying to get approved with their spot ETF, and you know all these deadlines, and I think that's when they had changed Paul Atkins changed the timeline from like I think 75 days to down to 20 days. So you know we know. Let me stop and say this: the government shutdown is officially over. So
Right.
now the ETF is I'm assuming it's going to be pushed a little further quickly since the government is back up and running. But however, now my wife said it was 10.
So let me tell you the status of Bitwise that I saw, that we saw, and of course verify this stuff yourself on the DTCC website. But we saw that the status is inactive. So it's registered, but it's just not active yet. So it's still waiting on government permission, like my husband said. The second one is Canary XRP ETF. The ticker symbol is XRPC. So let's see. That status is filed. It's filed with DTC. The SEC is supposed to act by November 3rd.
Which is what?
Which is this week. Trying to look at my calendar, turn around. This is this week.
Yeah, I think it's Thursday.
I believe so. Yes. So yeah. So that one.
So we're gonna
ahead.
see. I'm just saying we're gonna see. Not just an ETF, a spot ETF. So we shall see on Thursday.
Okay. All right. Big things ahead. All right. So the next one is Utility Shares XRP ETF. That ticker is XRPI. This one is actually already live as an XRP futures ETF. It trades as a regulated futures ETF in the US under Volatility Shares Trust. So that's different from what my husband said about the spot ETF.
Correct.
All
And
right.
those they are traded too. It's a lot of money it has been put in to those ETFs. So don't sleep on those. You know, Ripple is making a name for himself. So a lot of people recognize that. So they want to be part of this new venture.
All right. Then we got number 4, T-Rex 2X long XRP ETF. That one is XRPK. So that's a leverage product from ETF Opportunities Trust that targets twice daily XRP returns. It's listed on the DTCC website, but it's not yet live. So it's awaiting SEC clearance and exchange listing for that one. All right. Okay. The next one is CoinShares XRP ETF. The ticker symbol for that one's XRPL. That one is a standard spot ETF proposal. Custody partners listed as Gemini and BitGo. And SEC has until, wait a minute. That time frame is already already won.
What day was that on?
That was back in October, so we got to check on that one.
Well, you know you got to remember the government shutdown was still in place.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Wouldn't it be funny that both of them get approved on the 13th? Wouldn't that be something?
That would be something. Yeah, that would be something because they were supposed to make a decision in late October.
Right.
So the next one is number 6, Amplify XRP 3% monthly option income ETF. The ticker is XRPM. So this one is filed, and it's the strategy is like a covered call income strategy using XRP exposure. So it's filed with the SEC and listed on the DTCC, but no approval yet right now for that one.
This is next one is XRPR.
Rex, Osprey, XRP ETF. The ticker symbol for is XRPR. And so that one's actually approved and trading.
Say again?
This one is also a spot XRP
Yes,
ETF.
yes.
Yes, this one it became the first in the US to begin trading on September 18th, 2025.
Well, you're officially right because the government shutdown didn't start till October the 1st. So you're right.
All right. All right. So the next one is volatility shares 2X XRP ETF. That is approved in trading as well, and it's currently active on a Nasdaq and listed on DTCC as well. The ticker symbol for that was XRPT. Then I'm gonna just say them all, and then we'll just talk about them. The next one is Franklin XRP ETF, ticker symbol XRPZ. That one is filed and under review. That's again the Franklin Templeton. That's the hot topic one. That's
Mhm.
so they have Franklin Templeton, I think they have approximately like $1.5 trillion assets under management. And all right, then the last one is 21 shares XRP ETF, ticker symbol TOXR, and their status is filed and pending approval. So I just said three of them have a decision date, supposedly a decision date in November, but you just don't know what they're going to
Right.
do due to this shutdown.
Well, the shutdown is over with. So,
Well, I'm saying due
it,
to the shutdown of what it
oh,
prolonged them.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
them
yeah. Yeah, I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying that, maybe they may do it earlier. I don't know.
it could be. Oh, I'm sorry. They could be. We just
Mm,
know, like, timelines could be thrown off. We're just sharing that, hey, these 10 ETFs are on the DTCC website.
that says
So,
something right there.
yes, so they have QSIP numbers that means that these are real ETFs that are either, I think a couple of them I told you were active and are already trading. And then the rest of them, we just waiting on paperwork basically to get done.
Right. And I think if this government didn't shut down, I think to my personally, they probably been all approved when they did.
Hmm.
And we got the ISO
Yeah, on the
22
22nd.
22nd, right? Go live, right? Okay. And
Listen,
then we supposed to have the Clarity Act before
by the end
Thanksgiving,
of
right?
the year. Yeah. Well, you say that Patrick Witt says by the end of the year.
Yeah.
Your timeline is more accelerated.
Of course, I don't even work there.
Right. Right. Are we on the committees? But listen, we give our
Hey, I can only say I would like for it to be done by Thanksgiving. But I
yes,
did I did hear
yes.
I did hear somebody say that in the senator, they say that they're trying to get it before Thanksgiving. Technically, still is by the end of the year. I mean, you think about it.
He didn't give a specific date
Right,
by that, in that time frame. He just said that, by the end of the year that the president wanted it on his desk by that time
right.
frame. So
Hey, they
that is
can.
the quote that I heard. All right. So I want to wrap up our video. Before we get to the end of our video, I want us to talk about the just really quickly, Sean, so we can not hold the people to DC 828 too long. But the XRP Las Vegas event happening, what is it, Sean? The end of April, the beginning of May?
April the 30th and May the 1st in
All
Las
right.
Vegas.
So this you can look it up. I think it's called XRP at
Las
Las
Vegas.
Vegas or something like that. Yeah,
It is.
XRP Las Vegas. You can Google that. It should bring up their website. Now listen, I went out there and it looks like this is a big, big thing. And it's also something that I want to tell you about so you can save up if you need to, but if you want to go and attend. So the price that it looks like if without VIP access is 900. Not looks like, it is. For general admission is $900 per person. It's $900 per person, general admission. But if you VIP, you don't have to pay general admission. I think that this VIP price is about $1,800 per person to attend. And
Right.
it's a 2-day event in Vegas. All the speakers and stuff hadn't all been put out there yet because they just released I think the website and the event, but you can check out information on last year's event or this prior year's event if you want to see, the gist of it and what's normally there.
Yeah, this is the fourth year they've been having this. Now, from my understanding, Apple is actually taking over this event, so there's going to be much different from last year. So there's going to be more interaction and more other people there talking about blockchain,
Okay.
which is what's
All right.
coming.
Listen, come on. So we hope that that you found this video informative and valuable, as we said, as we always say in our videos. And let us know your comments in the chat. We will try to respond as quickly as we can. We get a lot of comments on our videos and on our shorts. So give us some time to get to your comment. But we're also been going live. We've done that a couple of times for the last week, and we really enjoyed it. So we're going to be going live again this week, several days, and we're going to try to put it out there earlier for you guys to be able to, or announce it earlier so you can be able to connect with us there. All right. So if that's all we got for this video, anything else you want to add, Sean?
Remember, we are not financial advisor. This is on an educational
No.
purpose. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And that's all
Subscribe,
I got.
all of them. That's all he got. All right, so he got all four of them out for you guys. If you watch this to the end of the video, hit that X. We appreciate you as
There it
always.
is.
Let's keep this going. Our community is growing, it's getting better, and we have such great and valuable people as part of the DC828. You guys bring us such great vibes and great information. So until our next video, we will holla.